So here is the Windows and Reflections website. I have added you as editors to the site, and you can tell that you're an editor two different ways. One is down in the lower right, it'll say edit this page, this icon with the little pencil, or when you click into it, it'll look like this with all the editing features off to the right. I added you using your Glasgow email addresses. I believe those are attached to a Google account. So if you'd rather use a personal account, just send me that email address and I'll add you as that user. So once you're in this editor, there's lots of options, but I am just going to show you how to do this right here, which at this point I just kind of imagine a number of these that we create over the next 20 days or so, kind of one on top of the other. I can manage them, we all can manage them together. It's not that tricky. But to add something like this below this one, you can see here that at the top there's these three tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes. The only one we need to use is this Insert one. And down here under Content Blocks is this icon, which looks similar to this setup, right? It's a picture with some text. If you just click on that, it will add it to this area. In order to get a picture onto here, you're going to have to get it onto your laptop. Unfortunately, Google Sites does not have a phone app that allows you to do this. So I just emailed myself one. You can click the plus sign and go to upload. Here is an example I just took here. Let's see. And you can give it a title, and you can write text below it. And to publish that, you click the blue publish button, and it'll show you the draft version and the currently published one, and you click publish. And now on the website there would be these two images. So that's how to add one of these items. You click the content block, you upload the picture, or you can alternatively you can add it from Drive. Add some text here and you're good to go. One thing I'd like to make sure everybody does is add alt text to the images for accessibility. So to do that, if you select the picture, there are some options up here. Alt text is there. So make sure you have some alt text for each of the images. It just needs to be a brief description of the picture. To delete something, you just highlight or move the mouse to that area, click the little delete button or the trash can, and you're good to go. And if you publish it, again, that's how it looks. So I look forward to doing this. If you have any questions, email me at any time.